Hey everybody, Arnaldo Hoffman of Gear It First. I never thought I'd be doing DJ reviews in a long time, but slowly, at least for some of us, events are picking up. Hang in there. I wish I had some encouraging words for you, but yeah, I'm in the same boat as you guys are. However, that doesn't mean that you can't take some of, hopefully, a little bit of business money that you've maybe set aside to kind of get you through or do some new purchases to try to find the latest and the greatest. And it's not really DJ gear, but it's what you carry your gear in. Now, if you've seen, and I have the link down below to my original Jetpack that I got from Orbit Concepts. I freaking love this backpack. I didn't think there was going to be one better. And then I saw the Snap at DJ Expo. This thing is dope. It's super thin. And just like the original Jetpack, it has every compartment you could absolutely think of. So let's take a look real quick on Gear It First. Jetpack Snap. Super slim, even slimmer than my other backpack. And when we open it up, we can see that it folds 180 degrees. This is perfect when you're out traveling and TSA wants to look at your laptop. You just take the laptop, put it in there, slide it through, and you are good to go. But let's take a look at some of the compartments inside. So we've got little compartments here. We've got a nice compartment here in mesh for easy access. Another compartment back here where you can stash stuff. Down here, we've got another zip compartment. Compartments for business cards, SD cards, USBs, pencils, and your laptop. Now I have fit in here my laptop, my 2020 MacBook Pro. I fit my 2012 MacBook Pro and a combination of, I can do my laptop, my iPad, a cat. You could do the vinyl. Actually, my 2020 MacBook and my vinyl fit in here just perfect. But it's not only lightweight, it's super easy to carry. Great, nice, thick straps. So, I mean, it's a backpack, but unlike other backpacks, it's not gonna fall apart because of the weight. I have abused the hell out of my other Jetpack, and you know what? It's lasted me way longer than backpacks, 2 or 3 times its price range. So I 100% fully endorse this thing for traveling, and not just for DJ gear. You could use it for your drones, laptops, whatever. Now, on the back side here, nice breathable material, which is great if you live in Florida. It's a million freaking degrees hot. Super comfy padded straps here, but again, well reinforced. Durable stitching, great zippers. Oh, look, another compartment. So great stitches or stitching all the way around. Again, this does not fall apart. And they don't claim that it's waterproof, but I have been caught in the rain with this, and my stuff has been kept nice and secure. And they've got this nice little doohickey right here. And what it does is if you have your rolling bag, you can just slide your rolling bag in, tilt, and you're good to go. You could almost say that the Snap is a drop to put in. But wait, there's more. Jetpack just didn't leave with a simple backpack. This is a part 1 of a 2-part beautiful ensemble that just makes you the jealousy of every other DJ out there, because while every other DJs come in with some cheap, crappy suitcase and they're trying to roll this and carry their backpack and all that, they're gonna look like total dorks at the expos. For those who don't remember, expos were things where we would all get together pre-COVID and talk about DJ related things and argue about whether or not eating at an event is professional. That seems pretty trivial now, doesn't it? But when expos do happen again, you don't wanna look like a dork. You want to look like a cool DJ. I want to talk to you about the Snap Drop. That's right, it's a 2-in-1 review. My God, it's been a while since I've done this. This is awesome because this literally gives you every compartment you could absolutely think of. And let's take a look here at the Orbit Concepts Jetpack Drop. So, when we open it up here, voila, we got compartment number 1. If we take out this compartment right here, you have a nice padded all the way around. Look at this, look at this. There's dividers in here. There seems to be like a little zipped up area over here, and I think that's so you can take that out so you can wash it. I mean, there's so many different areas, but in this part, just a simple one-piece compartment, right? You put your mixer, whatever you need in there, you can put your entire vinyl collection, you could put, you know, I don't know, 12 cans of Mountain Dew Code Red, don't ask me how I know that. And in here, then you can put your other necessities, whether it's your vinyl, bubble gum, mint. Yo, a lot of y'all need that. Let me say that again. Mint, your headphones, if you care about your hearing, your in-ear monitors. So, let's flip in on the front, and we got another compartment. Oh, this compartment seems to have a little zippy thing here. Well, what is that for? Let's take a look. So you've got this really cool compartment here. Why is this compartment there? What are you gonna put in there? It's kind of awkward. It's called a drop for a reason, because you snap. Drop. So now that this is in here, you're gonna take this guy, you're gonna put it through here. And now you've got your laptop, your vinyl, your mixer, your headphones, your Mountain Dew Code Red, your mint, because some of y'all's breath, for real, bruh, please. You got everything you absolutely need in a handy dandy little spin cool thing. And now you no longer look like a dork. Now you look like a first tier type of DJ dancing in the rain. What is all the way up? So now that you've got this going on, let's see what else they've got here. I'm gonna close this for a second, and you can see it's a nice smooth movement, right? I can pick this up, bring it up, easily shove that. Oh, you're flying Spirit Airlines. Okay, that's not gonna happen. You're not barely gonna fit anything in there. But if you're flying an actual airline, boom, this will fit directly in your overhead compartment. If we grab it from this way over here, you've got this way over here. Super easy way to carry it up. On the back, we have your nice pull-out area. Really well-made construction, because I've already been beating the crap out of this thing. Super smooth. You could go rollerblading on this, though I really don't recommend it, because it's storing your mints. So, again, really nice, easy roll. Lots of compartments everywhere. There's compartments in here, I don't even know why they're here. I'm guessing this is for your wallet. The thing is, they made this to just have every practical use you could think of. And the thing is that the people at Jetpack absolutely thought of everything. You've got super smooth glide wheels. You've got great zippers. You have compartments out the wazoo. I'm literally discovering compartments as I'm using this darn thing, right? And the thing is that, yeah, this is more expensive than other backpacks for a good reason, but it's not super expensive like some name brand backpacks that wind up falling apart. The thing is that, you know, we're spending so much money on our laptops and mixers and everything else, and we're buying the biggest piece of crap backpack out there and carrying it with. Now that makes no sense. This was designed for DJs by DJs, but even if you're not a DJ, if you're a photographer, I can tell you right now that I can easily put my kit in here. If you fly drones, you can put your drone in here. There's just so much you can do. Or again, if you're going to an expo and you're just trying to shove as many things as you can, this can be your carry-on with your clothes. Here's your laptop, and then when you pull your laptop out, done. I'm ready to go. And you can just leave this in your hotel room. I mean, how convenient is that? And the fact that they literally made this where it just, are you ready for this? Look, we're gonna come full circle, where you just drop and snap. And that's it. The Orbit Concepts Jetpack, snap, and drop. This thing is awesome. I am a huge fan of it. My wife is a huge fan, and I know this because the moment I turn around and I stop filming this, she's gonna steal this. She technically already did. We had to get her stuff out of here. This thing is wicked cool. And I'm gonna let you in on a secret. Yes, I've been using this for quite some time before it dropped. And you know what? Not because, hey, we're gonna send you stuff if you review it. I wanted to do this because I was so excited when I saw this product. And Alton, the guy that runs it, dude knows his stuff. He knows what DJs are looking for, and he's trying to do it in an affordable way, especially in the middle of COVID. So I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. I'm in love with this bag. I know you will be too. Arnaldo Hoffman, Gear It First, subscribe, thumbs up unless you're a loser, hit thumbs down. Good night, God bless. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it by itself, because fudge, that's not how it's supposed to go. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Gear It First, and there it is. Honest reviews, incredible gig logs, lots of tips and tricks, and more tutorials than any other YouTube channel. I guarantee it, or your money back.